How are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is very important topic, and it is topic of general knowledge of the world, and it is very important topics never mentioned in any books. There are 30 most important questions of general knowledge about the world history, frequently asked in competitive exams, viva, job test of many organizations or institutions such as PRELIMS, PPSC, FPSC, SPSC, UPSC, IBASTS and University Admission Test in the world. I am Professor Qayum Mangi, College of Superior Services, Sakkar, Pakistan. This is my number. Any student have a problem or want notes may contact me on my WhatsApp number. Now let us start. Question number 1. Henry IV was assassinated in 1610 AD. Question number 2. The War of Grand Alliance was fought during 1689 to 97 AD. Number 3. The War of Spanish Succession was fought during 1701 to 14 AD. It lasted for 13 years. Number 4. In 1707, England and Scotland became united. Number 5. Napoleon crowned himself as emperor in 1800 AD. Number 6. Napoleon brought a detailed revision of the French legal system called as Code of Napoleon. Number 7. In 1805, the French fleet was destroyed at the Battle of Trafalgar. Number 8. The unification of Italy took place during 1858 to 1870 AD. And Italy was many times disintegrated. Number 9. The unification of Germany was carried out during 1864 to 1870 AD. Also, Germany was disintegrated many times by the European powers, and it reunited. Number 10. In 1870, Germany waged war with France. Number 11. In 1822, the Brazil was declared an independent empire. Number 12. Abraham Lincoln, the American president, was a Republican from Illinois. Number 13. The 1849 gold rush was due to gold discovered at North California, a state of United States of America. Number 15. United States of America was at war with Mexico from 1836 to 1847. Mexico is a third country of North America, which is bordering America, the United States of America. Number 16. In 1898, USA was at war with Spain. Number 17. In 1867, United States of America purchased Alaska, a state from Russia. Now it is a state of United States of America, and it is away from mainland of USA and bordering Canada. Number 18. James Cook, the English captain, landed at Botany Bay of Australia in 1770. 19. Suez Canal was opened in 1869. Number 20. The Zulu kingdom was founded by Sahaka in 1818. Number 21. In 1911, Italy invaded Libya. Libya is a country of Africa. Number 22, King Leopold was from Belgium, and Brussels is capital of Belgium. Number 23, the Union of South Africa was formed in 1909 AD. 24, in earlier time, Turkey was referred to as the sick man of Europe, like China was referred as sleeping giant of Asia. 25, in 1877, Russia went to war with Turkey through the state of Marmara or in Black Sea. 26, in July 1914, Austria, a country of Europe, invaded Serbia. Serbia is now a country. It was part of Yugoslavia, and it became part of Yugoslavia. Now Yugoslavia also disintegrated into many tiny states. Number 27, in August 1914, Germany attacked France. In 28, in the First World War, German forces were defeated in Gurun by Russia. 30, in the First World War, Austria fought alongside Germany. Austria was the Austrian-Hungarian Empire. Wish you good luck. Take care of yourself. See you in next lecture. Please subscribe and follow to your friends. Thanks.